Hello everyone to the channel Mystery Unfolded. Today again inside the body and talking about the next important system of our body, and that is circulatory system. Today we will talk about the main part of the circulatory system, that is human heart. So let's see who is our guest. Hello Mr. Heart. This is how you pump, no? Yes, I am heart. Your familiar organ. All organs are important, but I am a bit special, a bit more important, as you use me in your literature also. Yes, I am your Bollywood themes, your literature, poetry, they surround me. Usually you use me in your literature when you talk about emotions, sentiments, but actually, in true sense, I don't have to do anything with emotions and sentiments. What is my function? To pump blood. And I am the main part of circulatory system. Why the circulatory system is required? So you all know, the circulatory system, your body needs oxygen, nutrients, chemicals. Each cell of your body needs oxygen, nutrients, chemicals, and that needs to be reached to each cell, and that blood carries. These all things are being carried by blood. Okay, and the things which are prepared in your cell and needs to be expelled out from the body are being collected from the body as carbon dioxide, digestive waste, chemicals. These needs to be collected and expelled out from the body. So in that also our system, that is blood, helps you. Okay, so the medium of transport is blood, which passes through vessels, okay, arteries and veins. And to make this flow of this blood possible, I am required, as I pump blood in vessels. So I am the pumping organ of circulatory system. I am the pumping organ. Okay, and I am very strong pumping organ. So you want to know me, what I am, where I am located. So listen my address. So my address is, country is your body, city is thoracic cavity, and town is near lungs, and the street is the passage between two lungs. Okay, I'm making it more clear. So heart, me, is mainly situated in the upper part of the body, upper cavity of the body, which you call thoracic cavity, which remain lined by diaphragm. You have studied in while talking about respiratory system. And I remain situated between two lungs, as I have deep association with lungs. I have to send blood to lungs and I have to take blood from lungs. So I am situated between these two lungs, and pipes, these vessels which are coming out from me reaches to lungs, so that I can take blood easily from lungs. So this is my location or address. Fine. So you can reach me easily. And as I told you that I take blood from lungs, that is oxygenated blood from lungs, and I return blood to lungs, that is deoxygenated blood. So I, from me, passes both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and I need to keep these two types of blood separate, and that's why my design is unique. I have, in human heart, have four chambers. Yes, you can say that I have two floors. On first floor or upper floor, two rooms are there, and at lower floor again two rooms are there. The rooms which are at upper floor are known as atrium or auricle, and the rooms which are at lower floor are known as ventricles. Okay, so the rooms which are at right side, they have been labeled as right. So the room which is at right side, the auricle which atrium which is at right side is known as right atrium, and the atrium which is at left side is known as left atrium. Same ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. You can see here more clearly. This is upper side, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. You might be wondering that why it is one side is blue and one side is red. So I'm making here only clear. Later you will see that this side keeps deoxygenated blood and this side keeps oxygenated blood. So deoxygenated and oxygenated bloods are kept separate. You can see there is a wall between these, so it can be kept separate easily. This also you can notice that the wall of left atrium, left ventricle is the thickest one, as it has to pump oxygenated blood. So this wall is the thickest one. Okay, so you please note down, it's an important thing about me. This is how I look if you will take me out from your body. Okay, so don't look at this all I will talk. So this is how my four chambers are. In these four chambers there are entries. You might be wondering how the blood flows from it. So now see, my right atrium remain connected with main vein, that is vena cava. Okay, the vena cava opens into right atrium, and from right ventricle arises pulmonary vein. It is going to lungs. So okay, it is here, it is going to lungs, right? It is going to lungs, and these are main veins which come out from entire body. So this is coming out from the entire body and is coming to right atrium, and from right atrium this is coming out, and this is going to lungs. Okay, fine. Okay, now this is all about right side. Now left side, this is left atrium, and in this is opening, this one is pulmonary artery. So this is pulmonary artery which is opening into left atrium. Okay, and from this left ventricle arising aorta. Left ventricle is arising aorta. Okay, is it clear now? So, for more clarity you can come to the next one. Okay, so see here now, this is right atrium and this is superior vena cava, this is inferior vena cava. Both are opening into right atrium. Okay, and this is right ventricle. From this is coming out pulmonary, it is coming out pulmonary artery. Fine. Okay, and this is left atrium. In this is opening pulmonary vein, and this is left ventricle, from which is coming out aorta. Okay, aorta takes blood to entire body. So this is my structure from inside. Okay, so this is me. Let's see. I will meet you again in next video with which will tell how I function. So bye bye. See you.